Welcome to Go Bears Diecast Workshop. This happens to be my first unboxing, and I would like to share what I got in the mail with you guys. Remember, if you like what you see, subscribe, hit that like button, and ring the bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. So Big Charlie over at Big Charlie's Model Garage sent me a box. I knew it was coming. We talk on the phone pretty frequently, and he asked me to restore some cars for him, customize them, and he put a few cars in there for me. So I'm going to open it up, see what we got to work with and what he sent to me. And I really appreciate that he took the time and shared some of his diecast with me, as well as the fact that I'm going to get to restore some and send back to him. But you guys check out his channel, Big Charlie's Model Garage. He's got a great channel over there going. But let's go ahead and get this unpacked. He did tell me the loose cars were the ones he wanted me to restore, and the ones that were wrapped up were the ones that I could keep. So I'm just doing a little camera adjustment. But the first car out of the box, 67 off-road Camaro. I don't know if you guys have got your hands on one of these, but it's pretty darn heavy. Very nice casting. And then we have another Camaro here that he wants to restore to one he used to previously own. It's got a metal base on it, looking real good. And this here is a Mercedes 380 SEL. We already talked about color schemes and everything, so I've got that all taken care of. Police Cruiser, Black Walls Hot Wheels from the early 70s. Nice casting. Going to do that black and white, of course. Tootsie Toy Plymouth. I know Opa over there at Opa's workshop. He does a lot of Tootsie Toys. I consider him the Tootsie Toy King, so hopefully I can keep up with his quality of work. And Matchbox Lesney Mini Pickup. It's got a lot of details to it. I really like it. The big wheels on it. So these are the ones that Charlie sent to me for me to restore for him and send back to him. So I'll get to work on those. You'll see those videos coming out. But there they are. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Now let's see what he sent in the box for me to keep. He's got it all nice and bubble wrapped for me. So it's a little off-brand Pontiac. I'm thinking about maybe turn that one into a Gaslands. Looks like a great candidate for that. Oh, a Tootsie Toy truck. Oh, that is very sharp. I really like that one. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with it, but I really like that. I hadn't seen one like that before. I don't have a lot of Tootsie Toys. This is another Tootsie Toy sedan. Let's see what else is in here. Well packaged. Well packaged. Thank you, Charlie. Land Rover Defender. That's a Hot Wheels. Double cab. Big wheels on it. Nice space to work with as well. 64 Corvette Stingray. Another Hot Wheels. This is a Bentley Continental GT3. Very nice casting. And finally, the Hot Wheels 73 Ford Falcon XB. Very nice. Thank you so much, Charlie. If you guys have anything you want to send out to me, it's on my YouTube channel. Really appreciate it. Check out Charlie, Big Charlie's Garage. See you again later this week. Thank you.